Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Kinto Share account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your profile is properly authenticated and secure. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Kinto Share website or open the mobile app. Make sure you are logged in with your account credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile icon or avatar, usually located in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings or Account Settings. Step 3. Look for a section labeled Security, Verification, or Account Verification. This is where you'll find the options to verify your account. Step 4. Click on the Verify Account or Start Verification button. Kinto Share may ask you to verify your identity through different methods. Step 5. Choose your preferred verification method. Common options include email verification, phone number verification, or document upload, such as a government-issued ID. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If verifying by email, check your inbox for a verification link and click it. If using phone verification, enter the code sent via SMS. Step 7. If Kinto Share requires document verification, upload a clear photo of your ID or other requested documents. Ensure the image is high quality and all information is readable. Step 8. Wait for Kinto Share to review your verification request. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days depending on the platform's policies. Step 9. Check your email or account notifications for confirmation that your account has been successfully verified. You may see a verification badge or check mark on your profile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.